Alright, so in this video, I'll be trying to show you guys how to replace your fog light assembly. I'll just be showing you guys how to do it because I don't need to do it, and how to change your fog light bulbs. So, to do that, you're gonna have to take the bumper off. Well, you don't have to, but it makes things way easier. The front bumper is just a few 10mm bolts here. There's a plastic piece right there, 10mm, and then another one at the end, and two under here. Right there. And that should come off. After you do that, you're gonna take a look at your fog light assembly, which is this whole thing. To take it off, it's really easy. You got this 10mm bolt right there, another one right there, and then you got, let's see, kind of forgot. Okay, you're gonna undo this. That should be it. Oh, actually, there's this right here. This Phillips head screwdriver. I mean, a screw. It's just a screw. Yeah. You just take that off. And that's it to remove it. If you want to remove the whole thing, which is what I did in the past because my old ones were really bad looking. And then to undo the bulb, there's gonna be this cap right here. Don't mind that. That's something else. The blink side blinkers. So you just undo it. You go to the left. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. It's pretty tight. Alright, so that's kind of difficult. So if you run into the cap being pretty tight, use like a flathead screwdriver. Just pop it open. Also forgot to say, if you want to take off just the actual fog light, not the metals around it, you can just do this screw and the one on the other side, and then undo this little plug back here, and it should come off. So there's that. So after you do that, you're gonna take a look in here, which you're gonna have your, there's gonna be this okay, there's gonna be this clip right here, which you're just gonna pull down, and there's gonna be another one up here which you just pull up so you can get to the actual bolt, and then it should just come out, and here it is. Alright, there it is. This is the one that wasn't working for me, and then as you can see right there, there's another piece connected in there. Just pull that out. It comes out like that. This piece goes in that black thing, and then the bulb goes into that pretty big hole right there. I'm not sure why this wasn't working. It looks kind of shattered. Oh yeah, I can see it. I don't know if you can see that. Right there on the corner. It's broken. Alright. Okay, so I got two spares. One that looks a bit nicer than the other, which is the one that I'm gonna try first. If not, I'll have to go to the store and get some new ones. For these, you just go to, what I did was I went to O'Reilly's and I just asked for the fog light bulb for the Toyota Celica, and they should help you out. Shouldn't be hard at all actually. So there's the old one. Here's a replacement one, kind of ugly one. Here's the better looking one. So right now you're gonna do the same thing backwards. So you're gonna put this end in there. I don't think it matters the way you put it in. Like that. It should be a nice firm grip now that it's in. And then you're gonna put the bulb in. There's gonna be these. There's gonna be a round side and a square side. The square, I believe, goes at the top. Is that what it looks like? Right in there. Yeah, the square goes on the top. Square one goes on the top. Round goes on the bottom. And your bulb should be working. I can get it in there. Okay, that's in there. And you pull your clips back right in there, just how they were, like that. Then the black piece, you just tuck it behind here. Okay, looks about right. Put the cap back on there. I'll put it back on there after I see if it works. Alright, so then you test them out. Just turn on your fog lights. See if it works. Let's see. And there you go. They're both working. And that should be it. They put everything back together. Put the cap back on so no water gets in there. Put the bumper. And that should be it. Hope this helps someone. And if it does, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.